Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be learning how to draw heads in 3 different ways. It's basically going to be the same method, but I'm going to be doing it in 3 ways. But thank you guys so much for coming back, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Nadi. I am a witch and root worker who loves to create black women as supernatural beings. So if you're into that, make sure to like and subscribe so you can see more from me. Now let's get into this video. So clearly I'm showing you guys the supplies I'll be using today. Is very minimal because I will be doing sketches today. So if you have like colored pens or color pencils you want to use, definitely use it to spice up your sketchbook. And I'm using this gold Finetec painting that I always use, and everybody always asks what it is. But yeah guys, I linked it down below. Everything I'm using is linked down below. And here I'm just showing you guys what I have in my sketchbook. It's almost filled up, so if you guys would like a sketchbook tour, let me know, because I can definitely do that, because I have so many sketches in here. I'm pretty sure I showed you basically all of them, but yeah. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw heads. And when I learned this technique, it just made everything so simple and clear and easy, and I was just like, why didn't I learn this before? Why wasn't I paying attention? So the first thing I want you guys to do is to draw a circle, just a simple circle, and draw a line where you want the nose and mouth to be. So after you draw that line, that I think is the Y or X axis, draw that line. And once you draw that line, that's where you can have a guidance to where you want to put your eyes, your nose, and your mouth. Make sure you draw the eyes, the nose, and the mouth first, because that's going to be key into doing what I'm doing right now, which is drawing the entire face. So you see that space between the lips and the chin? I always used to struggle with that. Like, the chin will be right underneath her lip, and I'm like, this looks kind of ghetto. So I had to fix that, and I figured, how the hell can I fix that and have it stop looking like that? Well, there you go. You draw the faces first, you draw the face features first, and then after you draw the face features, draw the outline of the actual face. And make sure when you go by the eyes, if you're drawing it on the side view, do a little curvature if that's like your style you want to go to, or if you want to do like a very round face, you don't have to do that curvature. Sometimes I do that, sometimes I don't, but that curve just give it a little bit more oomph, and like, she looks so adorable with her chubby cheeks. It just makes her cheeks look a little bit chubbier and more realistic. So I definitely recommend doing that to make your drawings a little bit more lively. And then the next one I'm showing you guys will be from the side, I'm pretty sure, like head on. So it's the same method. You draw that circle, you draw a line, but you will draw it at the front. And make sure when you draw from the side that the nose goes, how can I say this, above or outward towards that line. Like, it's not directly on the line. Like, give it some space. And that circle that I drawed on the head, that kind of is a guideline to where you can put your ears and where you can put the hair, because it's kind of hard to not have a lot of space so it can have a bigger head. And you'll see what I mean when I draw it. So every time you draw a head, make sure the ears are lined up with the eyes. That's a key thing to remember. Your ears will always be lined up with your eyes, just in case if you don't know where to place the ears and you're just like placing it anywhere. They are always lined up with the eyes. And if you draw that extra circle and make that circle a little bit bigger than what it's supposed to be, your hair will have a little bit more volume to it and have more space to it, so it won't look like her head is like smushed. It'll look like it's kind of proportionate, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, that's a couple other tips you guys can use. I wish I knew this at the beginning. Like, I was just, hold on, I need some water. I was just struggling, and I don't want you guys to struggle, because you guys deserve the very best. So yeah, that's a couple of tips I have for you. And then the next one I'm going to draw is going to be like head on, and it's going to use the same methods that I used for the first and the second one. Draw that circle, draw that X and Y axis, and then make sure the nose will always be on the bottom of the circle. That's where the nose will always be. Okay, so remember that. If you don't remember nothing else, remember that the nose will always be on the circle, the ears are always lined up with the eyes, and the lips can be as luscious and thick as you want it if you draw the facial features first. Okay, and you see how circular her face looks? I love that so much. I love drawing circular faces. But yeah, that's what I do in order to create these beautiful sketches and paintings that I do. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to, like I said, like and subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. It truly means the world to me. If you guys would like to see more from me, make sure to become a patron over my Patreon. You'll gain access to so many exclusive rewards your mind will blow. Also, make sure to stop by my shop where I sell these gorgeous prints, these gorgeous stickers, apparel, merchandise, and so much more. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I want you guys to have a beautiful, abundant day. See you next time, babes.